Hi everyone, Scott here with iKeyless, and this is a transponder key that works with select models from Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury. This durable key has a long, distinct oval-shaped design. It's compatible with a variety of vehicles. Just check the compatibility table on this page to make sure it works with yours. Now, this key does in fact have the required transponder in it, so you know it will work with your vehicle. Again, just make sure it's compatible. If you have any questions, our industry-leading customer support team is here for you. Don't forget, we offer hassle-free returns for your convenience. iKeyless offers replacement transponder keys at a huge savings over dealership prices. With prices this low, you can have spares for other drivers or get extras just in case. Remember, all vehicles can have up to 4 keys. No matter what you need, when it comes to replacement keys and remotes, choose from the best selection on the web. At the internet's first and still the best online retailer of automotive keys and keyless entry remotes, iKeyless.com.